What's up, everybody? Welcome to a brand new series called 1 Minute Tips, where I, Tim, attempt to articulate some hot tip or insight in 60 seconds or less. Man, that is compelling content. And this week, I'm talking about brand voice. So how do you, as the merchant, define your brand voice? Can I get 60 seconds on the clock? All right, brand voice, here we go. So step number 1, know your product. So what industry or vertical are you in, and what makes your product different or unique to other products within that industry? Step number 2, know your audience. So who are the people that you want to buy your products? What do they like? How do they like to be communicated with, specifically as it pertains to your industry? And then step number 3, the most important step, marry those two things together. So what language can you use that will connect and engage with your specific audience in a way that will also elevate your products within your industry in a way that is unique to your brand? And that, I believe, is probably 60 seconds. This has been fun. Keep an eye out for more 1 minute tips coming soon. Take it easy.